कहा जाता है कि इंसान अपनी गलतियां मिटाने के लिए या तो 10 अच्छे कर्म करता है या फिर अपने आप से 10 झूठ बोलता है। तो उस सुबह लेट उठने के बाद हमने फुल मोटिवेशन से ये ठाना कि भैया आज का दिन तो प्रोडक्टिव निकालेंगे। ये कोई इंसान का कमरा है? यहाँ इंसान रहते? मैं इंसान हूँ।
बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय।
हाँ जी, तो भैया दीदी भाई बहन और मेरे
फ्रेंड्स, तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
तो आज का वीडियो इज ऑल अबाउट मी फीलिंग दैट आई हैव अचीव्ड नथिंग इन माय लाइफ। वेलकम टू द वीडियो। आफ्टर फाइनली वेकिंग अप यू डिसाइडेड टू मेक द मोस्ट आउट ऑफ योर डे, पर अपने मन की सुनने के बाद यू टेक योर फोन एंड लूज ट्रैक ऑफ टाइम। You used to plan your days and log daily, which you have not done since ages. You wanted to learn lots of new skills, which you know for a fact that your surrounding will never teach you. Once a time you do hit the gym regularly, but is fitness is all about the gym? What about your daily inconsistent schedule? You plan a lot of things mentally, but when it comes down taking action, पता नहीं तुम्हें क्या हो जाता है और जब दिन खत्म होता है सब कुछ आधा अधूरा बिखरा हुआ मिलता है and you started blaming yourself. खुद को एक दबाव में डाल देते हो। The story of me constantly feeling that I am not good enough, constantly worrying about what's the future has store for me. पल सवाल उन ख्यालों का जो कभी कभी उन लम्हे में सांस लेना भी मुश्किल कर देते। I know गलती हमारी है, I need to get myself back on track, but this time it seems I am unable to. तुम्हें पता है, every night I go to sleep, I promise to myself to make the next day the best day of my life, be productive, work towards my goal, give time to my family and friends, have fun and live the life the way I imagined. But after the day ends, I have achieved nothing. I wake up late, scroll to the happy lives of others, sometimes feeling downcast about myself, sit down to work and I don't know why I can't focus today, and gradually large amount of thoughts spine upon my mind and boom, the day is over. And maybe all of us at some point of life have been the same upholder of this story where we constantly doubt ourselves, and I think it's okay and not okay at the same time. It's okay to be in a confused situation where it seems that everyone has figured out what to do and you are on other hand simply struggling to swim in an ocean of uncertainty where anxiety, frustration, stress and self-doubt are your biggest companion. Honestly, it is not easy to live in an ecosystem where you are supposed to figure out life at 18 or 19 says, but as the year pass by, a sense of tension builds up. You see people doing amazing stuff, building businesses, investing in crypto stock, but on the other hand, you lie down, look at the ceiling fan and think, what's wrong with me? मुझ में क्या कमी है? Why I am not doing things which are acceptable on internet? You know, somewhere down the line, you are chasing validation. खुद को देखो एक बार, क्या ये validation के लिए नहीं? But the truth is, if you are honest with yourself, you are doing the best you can. And I think that's the problem and the solution at the same time. I am just not honest with myself. सब कुछ होकर भी एक सूनापन अपने आप को ना पाने की वजह से ही। You know, I have never been an avid reader, but I promised myself that I would read 12 books this year. A book a month. Doesn't sound that difficult, right? But guess how many I have read till now? 0. They say you are built different. On some day, the kid Irfan, overthinking about his life, outperform himself, goes beyond what he can think of, and on the other day, he lies down on his bed thinking that he is not good enough. A sense of validation which will make him feel good and give his dopamine a boost in a moment. But deep down उसको भी पता है कि अगर मेहनत ना डाल के ये ख्वाब पालता रहा तो सिर्फ वक्त बीतता जाएगा। किसी की लाइफ सॉर्टेड नहीं है, ना उस इंसान की जिसको तूने पेडेस्टल में उठा के रखा और ना उस इंस्टाग्राम में दिखने वाले खुशहाल चेहरे की। You have taken a decision to better your life, so just go for it. Don't wait for the perfect time anymore. Not this time.